Hey, what's going on, everybody? My name is Yusef Scott. I want to welcome all of you to the So Darn Easy Forex movement. I want to thank you guys for taking time out of your weekend to watch this video and to see exactly what I have to say. Those of you who are subscribed to my channel, I really thank you for doing so. Those of you who are loyal to watching all my videos, you know who you are, thank you. And of course, those of you who are just finding Forex or even my channel for the first time, kick your shoes off. Lay back and enjoy the content, the great mountain of wealth that I have here inside of this YouTube channel. Now listen, if you're not yet subscribed to this channel, please do so. You want to make sure that you stay on top of everything, getting this great knowledge, all right, and wisdom. Now, we are probably about, it's 3:14 Eastern Standard Time. The markets will be open in just a little bit. We're about to have our trade alert training where I go through all of the currency pairs and I express my bias of which way the market is going to go, leaving my students with a sound direction on which way to trade the market. And but I wanted to come public with everyone about my pair. And you guys know my pair is the GBP and ZD. I made a significant amount of currency off of that pair. It's really amazing. I've turned a lot of people on to, I brought awareness to so many people, I'll say, about this pair and what it can do and how it moves. So I just want to let you guys know something. Let's zoom in real quick because I got to hurry up. This market has been dancing around this area for a while, all right? And if you guys notice, we have been, the market had actually rose to the occasion, and we've been failing to go higher, all right? But we've been locked in this zone here, this area here, we're locked in, all right? Now, I've alerted my students about this. We've been watching this pair for the longest time. We've been watching, we knew that when the market came back to this area, we were going to have trouble, all right? For those of you who do not know why, excuse me, for those of you who do not know why we're having trouble, let's look into this. Now, you guys remember the Brexit that happened last year sometime. And following the Brexit, the market had actually, let me just throw this on. The market had gapped, all right? The market gapped right around there. And I told my students that when the market returns back to that area, expect for the market to have issue. You see the gap? The market respected it once. It couldn't quite keep that range going, and it just went on back down, all right? And since then, if you notice, the market reached back up to that level, powered its way back up, and it's been ranging since the French presidential election. So because of that, and I knew that the market was going to test these levels, and it's still there. So I'm just giving you guys a heads up. Just want you guys to know, be aware of what's going on. The best thing you could do is be aware in this lifetime. Be aware of what's around you. Be aware of what's going on, and you could be able to make that counter move at any moment. All right. So I just want to give you guys a heads up. I'm about to head into this training and break this down even further for my students. That way, when this thing bubble over, all right, when this thing topple down, we'll know exactly what to do. All right. Anyway, look, if you guys are not yet subscribed to the channel, please do so. If you know anyone who might benefit from my videos, or you might know that you know some folks who could benefit from this video in particular, share it with them. All right, it costs you nothing, takes you nothing but 2 seconds of your day. You guys have a fantastic day. This is Yusef Scott. Peace.
Hey, what's going on, everybody? So I want to know how many of you actually took the GBP and ZD trade last week, and more importantly, how many of you are actually still in on that trade? If for some reason you've been faked out and you've gotten out of that trade, I want to welcome you all to the So Darn Easy Forex movement, where I teach my students how to remain in their trades regardless of what the market may do as it's moving about during the day. Now, I know I haven't updated you guys on how that pair is looking on my end, but let me do so now to show you guys exactly what can be realized in the market. So as you guys see, this is my setup on the GBP and ZD. Magnificent. I stayed in that trade. This is what's realized right now. Now, as always, learn how to put your winning streak on repeat. You can only do it with us. For those of you who don't believe, this is a live account, baby. All right, do it today.